Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everybody. My name is Lucas. I would like to show you how performant is the T4 Pro mini PC that is present in AstroLink B computer. So the sample setup that is standing behind me, not under the dark sky but just behind me, looks like this. So this is Skywatcher, Star Adventurer GTI mount and small ASCAR FMA 230 telescope with the guider, and the AstroLink B is on the top of it. The camera behind is EMX 533 based Player One Saturn 3 9 megapixel camera, and aside you can see also the focusing motor with the belt drive. So this is how does it look. And why we will not cover the under the really sky scenario, but I would like rather to focus on how performant is the T4 Pro mini PC during the some common tasks. So let's start with the connecting to the AstroLink B. So you probably heard two beeps, so let's check. Focusing work. All the sections in the AstroLink B panel you will find in the manual. So let's maybe take a quick overview of the software we can use. Let's start with ASTAP. Probably you know the ASTAP. So let's load the file, starting from the file from the QHIY 268 mono camera, which is 24 megapixels. So this is taking a bit of time to load, but actually most of the processing is being done due to the auto stretching that just turned on the medium. So now it has been loaded, and then you can see we may zoom, we may drag. It blinks a little, but it's probably because I am connected with the remote desktop. I'm not, the setup is not connected to the monitor directly. We can solve it. Plate solving in ASTAP is really fast, so we can check the 24 megapixels has been solved quite quickly. What we can do next is like start annotate the stars in the image. It's taking a little bit of time, but as you can see, stars were annotated with the magnitude. So this is how it does look with 24 megapixels, and then here we have 9 megapixels from EMX 533 camera. This was some test image of double cluster in Perseus, you can see. And you may solve it. Solve should be pretty quick for this. So we can also test, for example, the tilt. It was testing setup, so the tilt will be probably present. You can see it was calculated pretty fast. So this is how the ASTAP works in T4 Pro mini PC. Let's now connect to the mount. I'm using GS server. It's called Green Swamp. I found it more reliable and better than QASCOM, so I think it's already configured. So I'm just connecting. It is in the home position. And let's turn on sky charts. So this is starting, also taking a bit of time to start. Now we can connect to the mount. As you can see, yeah, this is the marker where the mount is pointing. Let's move it to the Lyra. Sorry, the system is set to Polish language. I don't have the time to switch it to English, but probably most of you know what's going on. Now you can hear the buzzing noise. This mount is slowing, and the position where it points is being updated in CDC. Yeah, what else we can have? Okay, let's check with Nina. So I'm gonna show you, I'm installed the Nina from scratch. I'm gonna show you how fast is the installation and the installation is working. So let's go to control panel, applications and software, and then let's uninstall the Nina first. Where is it? It's here. Remove. So it's out right now. And let's install it. We have version 2.3.1. I will install this and then I will update to 2.3.2. So the time remaining is 5, 3, 2, 1 seconds, etc. So, and the icons on this desktop has been updated. As and you can see, it was installed. It was pretty quick. Version 2.232 is installing a bit longer, as I noticed. It's probably due to some changes in the installation or to the software. So now we are updating Nina to the most recent version from the official branch, because there is also Nina 3 already available as nightly builds, but I didn't test it yet. I'm not also familiar with Nina, quite familiar. I'm using currently other software to acquisition, but you know, Nina is pretty common software, and really the functionalities and its capabilities are really huge, plus the plugins that you can use and install in Nina. It's also a big thing. Okay, so it was completed. Well, let's start Nina. It's the first time start after the installation, so you know the starting can take some time. I'm not fast forwarding the video, so now you know what you can expect. Yeah, as I mentioned also, the starting of the application takes a bit of time, but then when it started, it's working very okay. Well, and then usual setup with Nina is also the guiding with PhD. So now I just started the PhD. Let's update. No, not right now. I don't want to update this right now. So, and we have ASI camera as guiding camera and also the mount connected. Let's connect to everything. Let's start looping. So the guiding camera exposure time is 3 seconds. You can see it's being updated every 3 seconds, tick, and again and again. Yeah, let's get back to Nina. So yeah, let's connect to all the things we have. Camera, connect. Focuser, it's from AstroLink B, connect. Does it work? It's working. Rotator, we don't have rotator. Telescope, yes, we do have. Connect. It's probably tracking, but we may turn it on. Guider, yeah, it's PhD. Connect. So the guiding parameter has been read from PhD. It's looping, but probably we don't need to switch. It's also from AstroLink B. So this labels you can set in ASCOM driver, flat panel. We don't have weather. We can connect several sensors to AstroLink B. Currently only temperature, humidity and dew point is connected. Dome safety monitor. Unfortunately, I don't have it so far. Yeah, let's take a look onto imaging section of the Nina. So yeah, we can, oops, sorry. We can take like quick 3 seconds image. Pinning is set, no filtering, no looping right now. Let's take one single shot. So it's being exposed. Downloaded was pretty fast, but stretching and debayering took a bit of time. But it was like 1 or 2 seconds, no more. It's for 9 megapixels camera, so I think it's pretty okay. And yeah, let's maybe I have prepared before a short sequence in Nina, so it's what all it does is actually everything is off because this is not real under the night sky session, but it takes just 10 frames, 15 seconds each. Telescope is settling and this is being exposed right now. Let's switch to imaging tab. So the exposition is going to end soon. It's debayering right now, preparing star detections, but at the same time another exposition is being taken, so there is no delay. And this downloading, debayering and star detection is taking like 5 seconds. And in the same time we may, it's looping, the PhD is looping, so it's kind of, this scenario now kind of simulates the real sessions, because both guider is downloading the image from guide camera and also the main camera is being used with short images, short exposure images. Yeah, as you can see in HFR history, there is some data being plotted, but this data makes no sense, of course, because there is no star detected in the frame, probably just some hot pixels. So how many frames we already taken? 5. We are in the middle of our short session. Anyway, I think now you have some idea how it behaves, how the performance of T4 Pro mini PC looks like in the daily use of the amateur astronomy software. Hopefully it will help you to make a decision. Let's stop it. Sequence. Switch off the Nina. Yes, I want to close it. Exit. Let's stop the PhD. Exit. Let's stop the star charts. We may switch off the, let's park. Let's move to home position. And yeah, this is it for this short video. Thanks for joining, and many clear skies, hopefully with AstroLink devices. Bye bye.